In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a return label on Shein. If you've already requested a return and now need the shipping label, don't worry, there are a few simple ways to access it, and I'll walk you through each one clearly so you can choose the method that works best for you. Let's start with the Shein app, which is usually the quickest option if you already shop from your phone. Open the app and go to the Me section. From there, tap My Orders, then look for Returns. Once you're in the returns area, select the order you want to send back. After opening that return, tap Print Return Label. This should bring up your label so you can download it, save it, or print it, depending on your device. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're opening the correct return request and that the return has already been approved. Another easy method is through your email. After you request a return, Shein usually sends a confirmation email that includes access to your return shipping label. Open that return confirmation email and look for the direct download link for the shipping label PDF. Once you click the link, the label should open as a PDF file. From there, you can save it to your phone or computer or send it directly to a printer. This is especially helpful if you can't find the label in the app or if you want a faster way to open the file. You can also do this from the desktop website if you prefer using a computer. Go to Shein.com and log into your account. After logging in, go to My Orders, then open Return Records. Find the active return you need and click View or Print next to the return label. This will let you open the label and print it from your browser or download it for later use. The desktop version can be a little easier if you want a full screen view or if your printer is already connected to your computer. Before printing, it's a good idea to check that the label opens clearly and that the barcode is fully visible. If the file looks cut off or blurry, try downloading it first instead of printing directly from preview mode. That can help avoid scanning issues later. And that's how to print a return label on Shein using the app, your email, or the desktop website. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you, and you should have your label ready in just a few minutes.